let's have a look at a few combinations of leaving out the first two, leaving out the beat and the E, so all we want is the ander. Now, one that you'll see is they'll put a quaver rest, which would represent the first two, and then you'd have two semiquavers after it. Now, that one, remember, that means be silent, so it's going to sound a little bit different to these other ones, but let's say you had all four semiquavers there, and that was tied to the previous beat, and then it was tied to that one. So you can see quite obviously that would mean only play those two. Those two wouldn't be played because they're tied. Or another way, which is probably the most common way of it being done, would look like that. So you can see that's going to be the one ander. It's missing the E there, but you wouldn't play the one because of the tie. So how it would sound would be like this. If you're counting your beat, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and or with the metronome, 3, 4. Okay, so that's a combination of leaving out the first two. Just remember, out of those three different ways I've done, that's the one you're going to see most of all. So that's the one I'd make sure you definitely know.